So what's good people, I'm Kugesh here.
I'm Navintan here.
We would like to welcome you to Film Local. Welcome guys. And we would like to review the film called Burung Di Tingkat 27th by gogularajan.
Rajendran.
Yes.
Keseorangan, tinggal orang tua di belakang. Burung di tingkat 27.
Rajendran.
Yes. Okay guys, around the time he made this movie, there's a random bird lays egg on his laundry area. It was a quite dilemma actually because his family felt special that the bird chose their house out of nowhere to fly to the 27th floor and lay egg. But then slowly another feeling of regret came to their mind because they have never had animal in their life. So they was quite afraid of having a animal with them. But then without giving up, they wait until the egg hatches, and then it took few weeks until the bird grew up, and then the
Wait, let me explain something. They named the baby bird as Benedict at the point already big enough like other birds. However, Benedict refused to fly away. Normally baby birds will practice.
Usually birds used to practice fly by falling from the tree, but obviously from 27th floor it's really impossible to practice flying. According to the director, this is not actually related to the film, but then this is how the director got inspiration to make a film title, so this is why Burung Di Tingkat 27th. Okay guys, what is my review on this movie? This is actually a poetic movie which is really hard to understand. If you wanted to understand the movie right, you have to listen and watch it carefully in order to get the messages. So basically this movie is all about changing a 27-year-old introvert person to an extrovert person. So this is the main message of the movie. In this film, there's a particular dialogue that says,
Aku mahu keluar menjajah dunia.
Sounds scary, right? You guys watch this.
Aku mau keluar menjajah dunia.
So guys, in a conclusion, you guys have to stop depending on your parents, Your parents only can help you for some time. So it's 2022 and you are getting older, so you guys should be independent and then work on yourself, guys. Come on guys, let's do it. And thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned for more content from Film Local, and thank you guys.